So the question says, follow the steps above to find 351 minus 148 and regroup if you need to. So first, to do that, we need to draw our place value blocks. So I drew 3 hundreds because we have 3 hundreds here. Now I need to do 5 tens. So now we have our 5 tens, and now I just need to do 1 1. So we have that right there. So we need to subtract 148. So if I go to do that, 148 has 8 ones. I cannot subtract 8 ones, so I need to regroup. I need to take one of my tens and move it over to my ones place. 1 10 equals 10 ones. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I cross that out. There's no more of that. See you later. That 10 is now going to go over here. So I got rid of this 10 here, so now we just have these 4 tens, and now I have 10 tens here, plus this one that we started with. So now I need to cross out 8 of these. I'm going to do that in black, so that way you can see it a little bit better. So cross that out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now it looks like we're left with 1, 2, 3, 1. So our answer in the ones place is going to be a 3. I'm going to put an equal sign here, and we have 3 ones. Now we need to take away our tens. Here in 148, we have 4 tens. So I need to take away 4 tens here, and we have 4 tens. We used to have 5, but we don't anymore because we moved it to the ones place. So now I'm going to cross out 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 0 tens left. So in my tens place, there's going to be a 0. And then I need to go to my hundreds place. We have 3 hundreds, and I need to take away 1. If I take away that 1, I'm left with 2. Our answer is 203. Now I'm going to write the standard algorithm here so you can see that. So this is explaining exactly what we just did with the place value blocks, but now we're just doing it with the numbers here without writing out those blocks. 1 minus 8, we can't do it, so we have to regroup. We turn that into a 4, and my 1 now turns into an 11. So that's what we did with those ones up here. We had 11 ones. We take away 8, and we have 3 left over. Then we have 4 here because we regrouped. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get that same answer, 203.